Hi everyone and welcome back to Excel Viz. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an interactive map in Excel using just a simple slicer, just like the map we have here. If you click on agriculture, you see you've got minerals in all these countries. When you click to energy, the map changes to the different countries that export energy. When you click on manufacturing, it goes to different countries, and when you click on minerals, you also get to see all the countries that have it. If you want to clear, you just click on this and it goes back to all the sectors. So if you'd like to know how to do this kind of map, please stick around and I'll show you how to do it. So to start, we have this raw data of regions, country, product category, the export product, the value in US dollars, the year, and the primary trading partner. The first step, we are going to convert our data into a table. Just select the data that you're going to use. On the Insert tab, click on Insert and Insert Table. This is what the data that you need. Click on OK. So once you have this table, please just click on any cell, and once you do that, table design is going to appear on the top. Click on the table design, and the table design, click on Insert Slicer. Once you insert slicer, please select what you need to use. So in this, I want to use region. We are going to use our slicer that has regions. So click on OK. Once that's done, you can choose to have it this way or just put them in columns. So under slicer, over the buttons, click on columns and count your regions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 regions, so we need 5 columns. So increase your columns to 5 and then adjust your slicer to fit your data. And there we go. Here we have our slicer. We can move it all the way down here. There we go. So next thing to do, let's now insert our map. So select your data once more. So this will be the data included in our map. So once you have your data selected, go on the Insert tab, click on Maps and click on Field Maps. You can choose a background of your liking. Let's go with the gray background, and then we can now choose to move our map all the way down here. Adjust it accordingly. Alternative for a better experience, let's just copy all this. We can copy all this. We need to select both the slicer and our map, so we'll do that and copy. So move to another worksheet and paste it. We need to paste everything as it is, using including the map. And as you can see, we've got everything pasted here. So click on let's adjust this so we can read it properly. Adjust it accordingly. So let's do the map once more. So if you want to see the data in Central Africa, click on Central Africa and your map moves accordingly. If you want the products from East Africa, it's in East Africa you get agriculture and manufacturing. If you go to North Africa, the map switches to North Africa and you get the products that are there. South Africa, minerals and agriculture. And then when you click on West Africa, you get energy, agriculture, and minerals. You can click your chart to adjust it. So let's see, for example, you want to get rid of the chart title. You can click on it and it disappears and you just get the map. You can include the data labels to be included in your map. That's if you want, but that's how now you get to create an interactive map in Excel using a slicer. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in our comment section, and if you want us to make a different video, please let us know. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you again in the next video. Goodbye.